Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about AUTOHOME-S latest report. AUTOHOME Inc. offers a diverse range of services and businesses, including online automobile content and tools through 3 websites, media services, such as automaker advertising and regional marketing campaigns, leads generation services for dealers and individual car sellers, AUTOHOME Mall, an online transaction platform, online bidding platform, for used automobiles, commission-based facilitation of auto financing and insurance transactions on its platform. The decline in AUTOHOME Inc.'s ATHM stock price over the past year can be attributed to several key factors. Analyst downgrades and price target cuts played a significant role, with J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. reducing its price target from $36 to $28 on October 29, 2025. Geopolitical tensions between the U.S. and China also had an impact, causing a sell-off in AUTOHOME's stock around October 9-10, 2025. Furthermore, the release of Q3 FY 2025 earnings report failed to stem the decline, with the stock having already lost nearly a fifth of its market capitalization in the preceding weeks. These combined factors created a negative sentiment that led to a substantial drop in AUTOHOME's stock price, reaching a new 52-week low of $22.82 on December 16, 2025. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be identified through a review of key financial metrics. On one hand, revenue growth is primarily driven by content diversification and the robust performance of new retail business. Additionally, increased online marketplace and other revenues have contributed significantly to growth, with a notable 32.1% year-over-year increase. On the other hand, revenue decline can be attributed to 2 main areas: media services and leads generation services. Media services experienced an 8.7% decline, while leads generation services saw a more substantial 20.1% decrease, primarily due to a reduction in paying dealers. These factors have had a significant impact on overall revenue performance. Net income and profit margins. A comparative analysis of the financial performance of AUTOHOME reveals a mixed trend in net income and profit margins between 2024 and 2025. Net income decreased by RMB 4.7 million, or 1.1%, from RMB 441.3 million to RMB 436.6 million during this period. Profit margins also experienced fluctuations. The adjusted net income attributable to AUTOHOME dropped by RMB 90.3 million, 18.1%. while the gross profit margin decreased from 77.3% to 63.7%. However, the operating profit margin increased from 4.6% to 8.3%, indicating an improvement in operational efficiency. The net income margin and adjusted net margin also showed a decline, decreasing by 0.4 percentage points and 5.1 percentage points, respectively. These changes suggest that AUTOHOME's financial performance was impacted by various factors, including market conditions and operational adjustments. The company's financial performance indicates a significant milestone in its growth trajectory. One notable achievement is the generation of positive operating cash flow. This accomplishment signifies that the company has successfully managed its expenses and investments to produce a surplus of cash from its core operations. As a result, the company is now better equipped to invest in new opportunities, pay off debts, and reward shareholders, ultimately positioning itself for long-term success. Management is expressing concern about the company's financial performance, citing a decline in adjusted net margin from 28% in 2024 to 22.9% in 2025. This decrease is also reflected in non-GAAP earnings per share and ADS, which have dropped from $1.02/$4.09 to $0.87/$3.47 over the same period. The company has demonstrated its commitment to returning value to shareholders through 2 key initiatives. Firstly, it has paid dividends, providing a direct return on investment to shareholders in the form of USON dollars and 20 cents per ADS or U-Shiro dollars and 30 cents per ordinary share. Secondly, the company has engaged in share repurchases, acquiring 5,483,238 ADSs for a total cost of USON $145.9 million. These actions reflect the company's focus on rewarding its investors and enhancing shareholder value. That concludes the financial summary for AUTOHOME-S. Feel free to comment below and I will be happy to answer them when possible.